Hey guys, quick video for you. What are the reasons why you shouldn't buy the Genesis 435 gas grill and important things to be aware of? But it's like a good company. Weber with Genesis, it's a good product. You have like great value. You have got massive cooking space if you want to use it. Also, another thing is that sear station that delivers heat distribution, minimum flare-ups, heats up fast, side burner included. Like it's a good product. But primarily, what are the reasons when like important? So some of them are like plastic components. This is the first thing. Rust issues. So like for example, there was like report in dry climate and flame shields rusted completely, and also getting rust on some of the stainless fasteners. So that's great. And so the most stainless on the new grill is also magnetic. It's important. And thinner firebox than older models. So that's also important. Then also you're gonna have like plastic wheels. This is very important. That if you're gonna like use it frequently, just be aware of it. And water builds up on the inside of the thermometer and could potentially obscure the readout and damage the mechanism. So if you can like get also your own thermometer. And each burner must be lit individually. So this is also another thing. So Genesis will not do this. Each burner has to be ignited with the spark igniter or a match. So igniter or a match. So something also to be aware of if you want to actually get it. And yeah, that's like pretty much it. I mean, it's still worth buying, of course. I mean, it's a good product, but just like maybe there are like few minor things, but not really big ones for it, to be honest. It's a good product, so no issues there. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.